Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Quick Intel token. Ticker symbol is Quicki. This token just got listed recently on CoinGecko, brand new listing. Right now it's up 30.7% according to CoinGecko. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So there is a warning at the top of the CoinGecko page that everybody should be aware of before even thinking about getting this token. It says the following token has a variable tax function on the smart contract to change tax rates post-deployment. Do your own research and be careful if you are trading this token. So thoroughly do your own research when there's warnings like that. It doesn't necessarily mean like 100% this token is going to be a scam, but it definitely has the potential to be a scam when they can alter the smart contract, change tax rates, mint new tokens, however they can alter it. It can be very sketchy. So thoroughly investigate this token first before even thinking about getting it. Now this is on the Arbitrum blockchain. Obviously the Arbitrum blockchain is very popular these days. Now this token is listed on SushiSwap through the Arbitrum 1 blockchain. So basically you would fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum through the Arbitrum blockchain, go into the dApps, find SushiSwap, and then trade your wrapped ETH for the Quicki token using the contract address that you could find on CoinGecko, or you can find it on their their Arbiscan, which is on CoinGecko, or their webpage or white paper. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address, and you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, so just be aware of that. Now their official webpage is quickintel.io, and that's available on CoinGecko along with a full link tree, full white paper, Twitter, Telegram, Discord, GitHub, price chart, and contract address. All of that is available on CoinGecko. According to their Arbiscan, they have 516 holders so far, 9,756 transfers, 18 decimal places, and a total supply of 1 trillion tokens. Now, Quick Intel, aka Quicki, is a suite of safety and security tools that help you assess tokens instantly and in real time. With Quicki, you can use one of our various tools to scan a token. The token is then scanned and results are generated using our unique first-of-a-kind code analysis that digs deep into the code to alert on known scams or malicious code. So there's a couple guides here. So there's a dashboard. The Quicki dashboard is an innovative way for traders to get key information as a one-stop shop on projects launching across multiple chains. Easily navigate between new tokens launching or existing tokens that have been live for some time. With Quicki Scan directly integrated into the dashboard, users can get a holistic view of tokens and quick and easy. So their introduction for the Quicki Scan on here. So Quicki Scan is a unique first of its kind token scanner that scans the token down to the contract level. It will alert on known scams and malicious code that is detected directly in the contract, taking the guessing game out and providing you with more confidence in a project. In addition to our unique Quicki Scan, it also gives you a standard buy and sell tax, honeypot check, LP lock check, max transaction, and max wallet, renounced creator, contract verified, supply, and market data information. So all sorts of cool stuff here. You can view a little video. It shows a video of how to add the Telegram bot to run a scan, sorry. So running scans on tokens, there is plugin information on here on the input and token information. It goes over step by step how to do that. Select the chain of the token you're wanting to scan, like example would be Arbitrum. Select the swap the token's listed on, example Sushi Swap. If the token is paired with a non-native token, you can adjust it, paste the contract address you're wanting to scan, and then select scan. Pretty straightforward. Goes over token details after that. So there's a roadmap on here. It says phase 1 of this roadmap is launch the Quicki token on Arbitrum, launch Quicki Scan DApp, launch Quicki Scan Telegram bot, release Quicki tiers for dashboard and Telegram bot extra features, start marketing, launch Quicki dashboard on Arbitrum only, assess additional chains to add, start ads on Quicki Telegram bot, wallet distribution feature enhancement, and then CoinGecko listing. So all of that is done. They just got the CoinGecko listing. Next is going to be CoinMarketCap listing. Then expand dashboard to Ethereum, core chain, and other chains. Incorporate OpenAI to explain suspicious code. Then phase 3 is going to be expand the use of artificial intelligence on Quicki data. Expand ads to Quicki dashboard. Expand marketing. Phase 4 is going to be add profit loss tracker to the dashboard. Then some central exchange listings. Tracking new contract before LP is added, feature enhancement, revamp website, and expand marketing. So there is different tiers on here. Information related to Quick Intel's tiers and features are available, and you can check that out on their white paper. And there is an introduction to the Quicki bot, which is a Telegram bot. It's the first of its kind with unique features aiding in detecting rugs and scams before they happen. Quicki bot dives deep into the code and alerts malicious behavior, all that type of stuff. And so it has a guide how to put that together, installing and configuring the bot, how to run a Quicki scan, and then read results of the Quicki scan. All this stuff is available on their document section, aka white paper, which you could find at docs.quickintel.io. Pretty straightforward. And let's see how they're doing on their socials here. So their Twitter at Quicki_ERC, 1,190 followers. They just joined in February though, so it's barely a month or two, or it's about 2 months old, I would say. And they got 372 tweets so far, so they're very active on their socials. So check them out. This token, you can find this token newly listed on CoinGecko. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.